Alright, so right now we're about to come to our death. Everybody say your last goodbyes.
This is
We're going
fun.
dodgebogging. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, god damn it, Cole's gonna die. Way to go.
You can't do that.
Can't do that.
Because if you die in the mud, you get stuck. Is it in four-wheel?
Yeah.
Whoa, fool.
So hard.
Goddamn.
It's not muddy enough.
This shit is fucking beefy.
Alright, stop yourself.
Oh shit.
Are we going in the four-wheel?
It's low.
Oh wait, there's another car.
Some competition.
It's competition.
Oh yeah, we got some competition, boy.
Second.
Oh shit, yeah, we got some competition, alright.